Hey Shelley, it's Anthony down at Anchor Cars, just giving you the video walk around of our Volvo XC40. Alloy wheel on driver's side quarter panel, all good. Again, I do apologise, it's a bit dreary and grubby around here. We will be giving the car a good clean before it's driven up to you, so hopefully on the day of delivery it doesn't get too wet and grubby on the way up. Front bumper, bonnet, grille are all in good condition. Passenger side alloy wheel and passenger side of the car is all good. There's a bit of corrosion on the alloy wheel here, but that's not from scuffing, that's just age related because of the metal that they use. Rear bumper and boot lid are in good condition. Having a little look inside. Boots all good, no excessive wear. Back round to the passenger, so to the driver's side. Alloy wheel, bodywork is all good. Doors are all good. A little nosy inside. Door cards and seats, all good. There's no tears or excessive wear. Dashboard, steering wheel is all good. In the back of the car, back seats, door cards all good, which is all nice. Hope you like it. We'll have a catch up soon and we'll go through the next steps. Thank you.